Hello and welcome to a fresh episode of Instant Analysis. I'm Apoorva Mandhani and I'm going to tell you about the Madras High Court order passed on Tuesday allowing the lighting of the traditional lamp at the Deepathoon pillar of the Subramaniya Swamy Temple at the Thiruparankundram hill. The pillar is located on a peak near a dargah on the hill. Now, let me first tell you about the controversy and then we will move on to what next. Now, the Thiruparankundram hill houses both the Subramaniya Swamy Temple and a dargah. While the dispute has been simmering for months now, the latest controversy erupted when the devotees approached the court demanding that they be allowed to light the Deepam at the Deepathoon, which is closer to the dargah than at the traditional spot at the temple. On 1st of December, the court allowed this plea to allow devotees to carry out the ceremony at Deepathoon. This was an order passed by a single judge who was Justice G.R. Swaminathan. Madurai authorities had refused to implement the order, citing law and order concerns, leading to protests by pro-Hindu groups in the area. Then, on 3rd of December, devotees approached the High Court complaining about the Madurai officials having made no arrangements for implementation of the order. A contempt of court case is pending before Justice G.R. Swaminathan because of this. Meanwhile, the state authorities and the dargah filed appeals challenging Justice Swaminathan's order. Now, a two-judge bench comprising Justices G. Jayachandran and K.K. Ramakrishnan rejected these appeals filed by state authorities, Tamil Nadu Waqf Board and Hazarat Sultan Sikandar Badusha Avulia Dargah, among others. So it basically upheld the order passed by Justice Swaminathan. In fact, the court also came down heavily on the state authorities. It said, and I quote, "It is ridiculous and hard to believe the fear of the mighty state that by allowing representatives of the Devasthanam to light the lamp at the stone pillar near the top of the hill located within its territory of Devasthanam land on a particular day in a year will cause disturbance to public peace. Of course, it may happen only if such disturbance is sponsored by the state itself. We pray no state should stoop to that level to achieve their political agenda," unquote. The judges asserted that the apprehension of law and order was an imaginary ghost created by them, that is, the state authorities, for their convenience to put one community against the other under suspicion. The district administration should have taken the issue as an opportunity to bridge the gap between the communities through peaceful and meaningful mediation. This was the High Court said. It also said that the Archaeological Survey of India can be consulted for this purpose, saying that in addition to the prohibitions and restrictions as found in the Ancient Monument and Archaeological Sites and Remains Acts and Rules, ASI shall impose conditions appropriate and necessary to preserve the monuments in the hill. Now, the entire episode had earlier also blown up after over 100 India Bloc MPs moved a motion before Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla seeking Justice Swaminathan's impeachment, saying that his conduct raises serious questions regarding impartiality, transparency, and the secular functioning of the judiciary. While the impeachment motion did not mention this order passed by him, it would have to be seen how this two-judge bench order plays out. Meanwhile, the Stalin government in Tamil Nadu is likely to move the Supreme Court challenging the two-judge bench's judgment. So we'll be keeping an eye out for any development that happens in this case as well. That's all I have for you today. This is Apoorva Mandhani for ThePrint. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.